how does a realized person feel all the time? Please tell us how it feels so we can be inspired and keep the goal in mind. Do you know, when there are few young ladies living in the village, and you just imagine, not nowadays, during those days, before marriage, they did not have any relationship, any contact, friendship, partner. Imagine, hundreds of years ago, marriage means the beginning of relationship. So, there was marriage ceremony. One of them got married. When she got married, went to her husband's home, staying for some time, came back. When she came back to the village, all other friends came to her and asked, how is it? How is the relationship with husband? How is the, she could not describe. She said, wait, when your time will come, you'll know it. That means when you'll get married, you'll know what it is. How is it? How does one feel? Look. When you meditate nicely, how do you feel after meditation? Calmness, peace, joy. And if one meditates still deeper, still deeper, still deeper,